Bullish news. Vasculitis marketed and pipeline drugs assessment, clinical trials and competitive landscape. South Korea's CD Bio seeks clinical trial. FDA registration for its VOC's biosensing kit that detects early-stage lung and other cancers with simple breathing test. Vinyl chloride monomer (VCM). Industry installed capacity and capital expenditure (CapEx). Forecast by region and countries including details of all active plants. Planned and announced projects 2022 to 2026. Hydrogen pipelines length and capital expenditure. CapEx. Forecast by region, countries and companies including details of new build and expansion. Planned and announced projects 2022 to 2026. Update: 1 Chile peso sales higher after voters reject new constitution. Diesel generator market size 2022 to 2029 worth $26.09 billion United States dollars, exhibiting a CAGR of 5.5%. Kay Adams to make her debut on FANDUEL TV with Up and Adams on September 6. Biotomize announces the opening of a fundraising round to build the first biological CDMO in Brazil. OPEC Plus agrees to make token supply cut to steady oil market. EU weighs new measures to tackle Russia squeeze. Energy update. Cylindrical lithium-ion battery market. Shift in the automotive industry to EVs to boost the market growth. Technavio. New data from Boehringer Ingelheim support the potential use of nintedanib in children and adolescents with fibrosing interstitial lung disease. Huobi Global announces the listing of TON's native blockchain token. Tesla steps up recruiting in Thailand as EV competition heats up. ST Microelectronics announces status of common share repurchase program. Returns on capital are showing encouraging signs at RPC, NYSE, Res. IMFINZI. Durvalumab plus chemotherapy approved in the U.S. as the first immunotherapy regimen for patients with advanced biliary tract cancer. Oil powers higher as OPEC Plus meets to decide on supply, gas roars. Delphin Midstream and Devon Energy enter into LNG export partnership. Equinor ASA. Share buyback. JP Morgan readies overseas retail expansion with German hiring spree. VEON's Banglalink wins top speed prize for third year in a row. Crude oil surges higher ahead of OPEC Plus meeting. Apple plans to double its digital advertising business workforce. Tesla stock versus BYD stock. EV giant sets huge goal as sales soar, but stock keeps diving. Dollar soars as euro falls below 0.99. Worry of energy shortages weigh. Grab rival B Group gets $60 million loan for Vietnam expansion. Zymeworks announces release of ESMO abstract for Phase 1 study of zanidatamab zovodotin. ZW49. In solid cancers. Bearish news. China's central bank moves to slow yuan depreciation. Kremlin says sanctions to blame for halting natural gas supply to Europe. OPEC Plus agrees to small production cut amid recession fears. British pound falls to lowest level since 1985 as UK economic pain mounts. Russia demands sanctions are lifted before it resumes gas supplies. Live updates. Michigan Ross Weathers MBA app decline with solid GMAT, GRE, GPA numbers. European stocks slip as key Russian gas pipeline to remain closed. ICG Enterprise Trust plc, notification of share transaction. Crypto exchange Upbit publishes token listing, delisting procedure after government pressure. Notification of executives transaction with Marta's shares. China cuts bank's forex reserves rate to boost yuan as dollar strength persists. Russian resistance makes OPEC Plus production cut unlikely. Apple's priciest iPhones take center stage as industry smartphone sales decline. Oil prices climb as OPEC considers cutting production. European natural gas prices surge 36% after Russia halts Nord Stream 1 flows indefinitely. European natural gas prices spike as Russia keeps pipeline closed indefinitely. World's deadliest roads in focus after billionaire's fatal crash. Update to OPEC Plus weighs rollover against small output cut, sources say. OPEC Plus to discuss potential supply cut amid oil demand concerns. China says U.S. hacked aeronautics, space research university. Toyota to suspend production at 3 western Japan plants as typhoon nears. Oil supply cuts on table as OPEC Plus meets amid crude sell-off. European stock futures lower. Potential energy shortages weigh. Global markets shares ease. Euro squeezed by energy crunch. Bed Bath & Beyond finance chief Gustavo Arnal found dead. Gold inches lower as dollar strength, Fed jitters weigh. Links to articles are below. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.